This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on a Mac. On a Mac, you don't need any special software to record your screen. You can use something that's already built into the OS to record your screen, and that is called QuickTime. So the first thing that you need to do is open up QuickTime, and I'm just going to search for it in my Spotlight. And when you open that, it's going to start by asking you to open a file. You don't need to worry about that. What you need to do is go up here to the top of the screen, click on File, then click on New Screen Recording. When you do that, this box will appear at the bottom of your screen, asking you if you want to record the entire screen or to record a snippet of the screen. If you select record a snippet of the screen, it will give you this box where you can adjust what is being recorded. Here in the options menu, you have the option to note where the video will be saved. You can have a timer, so if you want there to be a delay before the screen recording starts, you can click on 5 or 10 seconds. You can also specify which microphone you want to use and whether you want to use one. And then you can also adjust options for showing a floating thumbnail, remembering your last selection, and showing your mouse clicks. So I'm just going to record the entire screen and then select record. Since I have multiple monitors, I have to select which monitor I'm going to use. So I'm going to click display 1. And when I do that, now it's automatically recording because I did not put a timer there. Now I'm going to open up Microsoft Word and I'm going to type something. When you're ready to stop recording, go up here to the menu dock at the top of the screen and you're going to click this circle, and that is the end of the video. Now I'm going to play the video. So now you're seeing a recording of the video that I just made using Apple's QuickTime. So again, you don't need any special software to record videos on your Mac, and you can do that by using Apple's QuickTime. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.